Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn how to add algebraic expressions and how to subtract the algebraic expressions. In previous video, related to all the terms I have shared, what is term, factors, coefficient, numeric, coefficient, algebra, expression, equation, all these things I have shared through video. In this session, I'm going to show you how to add the algebraic expressions. So here we have two methods where you can add by using column method and row method. We have two methods. So there are two common methods by which we add algebraic expressions. Let's take the following example. 7xy plus 5z yz minus 3zx plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y, then plus minus 2xy minus 3zx plus 5x. So now we will solve this problem by both of the methods in next two slides. Method 1. So write the terms of the first bracket. This method is known as column method, followed by the terms of the second bracket and the third bracket below their like terms. Why like terms? The variable should be same or equal. So yz under yz, zx, 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 you can see accordingly I have arranged. 5x was alone, so I kept it alone separately, then minus 4y. Now solve the problem below the line. Now you know that when we add the algebraic expression, we generally do not change the sign. So here plus minus minus, 7 minus 2 5, and variables will remain same. Now plus 5 plus 4 9. Now minus 3 and minus 3, minus 6 and minus plus 9 minus plus minus. So plus 3zx and 5x minus 4y. So here no changes because here we have to add the algebraic expression, and when we do add, the signs won't be changed. This is your second method. This method is known as row method. Write the question in one line, then open the brackets taking care of the sign. Why is it so? Because you have to take care. If we have before bracket minus sign, of course you do have to changes the sign, but if before bracket you have positive sign, plus sign, so there is no need to change the sign. When open the brackets, the next step is bring to all the like terms together. Then the last step is to solve the problem. So here you can see I kept all the expressions separately. Then open the brackets, 7x plus 5yz so and so. Then bringing the like terms together, and we have solved it. Now 7 minus 2, 5xy, yz same, so 5 plus 4, 9yz, zx, zx, zx. Can you see this? All like terms, so you have to operate accordingly. Now minus 3 plus 9 would be plus 6, and plus 6 minus 3 plus 3, and 5x no like term, minus 4y no like term. Clear? Now subtraction of algebraic expressions. Here also we have two methods, the same row method and column method. There are two common methods by which we add subtract algebraic expressions. Let's take the following example. If you have to subtract this term to this, yeah, so now we'll solve this problem by both of the methods in next two slides. Method 1. So this is your column method. So we have to do subtract, means signs will changed under this. So write the terms of the first bracket, then followed by the terms of the second bracket below their like terms. Now in the next line in brackets, invert the sign. Why is it so? Because we have to do subtract, and if we have to do subtract, we have to change the sign. Now for as when this bracket will be open, to take out the terms, the sign automatically change. Now solve the problem below the line. Now this was plus, so plus minus minus, so 12 minus 4 8, minus plus minus, so 9 is greater than 7, you have to do minus and you will keep the sign of negative. Now plus minus minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2, and minus minus plus, so you will do plus, but you will keep the sign minus, because now 12 sign, first it was positive but now it is changed, so it will come negative. This is your second method. Write the question in line, row method, open the brackets taking care of the sign. You could see here before bracket we have sign, minus sign, so when you open it, all the signs will change. Clear? here it will come plus. Now you will change the sign. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, open the bracket, minus 4a minus minus plus 7b minus plus minus 3b and minus plus minus 12. After that you arrange according to like terms. Now 12a and minus 4a, because variables same, so you'll keep the same, you'll arrange accordingly. 9ab and 7ab, this is 7ab actually, then 5b and 3b, then minus 3 and minus 12. So 12 minus 4, 8, minus plus minus minus 2ab, and 5b minus 3b, that is 2b, and minus minus plus, so it will come minus 15. Clear? Very easy how to add, how to subtract. Thank you.